Welcome to the ET335 VHDL Latches lab demonstration. This is the long version, part B. Okay, let's go ahead and modify our SR latch program from the last one here to make it a level triggered D latch. So let's go ahead and we're going to change these to D. And let's just go ahead and get rid of our R. So we'll just have D and clock, and we're going to go ahead and put a D here. If D and clock is 1, then we're going to have a 1. So if D is a 0 and the clock is 1, then we're going to get a 0. And if not, we're going to have the same condition, and that looks good. Okay, I've compiled our program. Let's go into our pin planner, and what I've done is I've changed our D, or added D, went to L22, and our clock is going to be L21. So this should be good, and let's program it and try it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, let's try it. So when we have it disabled, our D latch does nothing. So when we enable it, down is going to be low and up is going to be high. So let's latch the high. That's good. So let's latch the low. And that's good. So it's an actual D latch. Okay, here I'm showing a D latch program, and this would be a positive edge trigger, so we need to add this: if clock event and clock equals 1, then. And we're going to remove the clock enable, and that should be enough. Okay, so now we're going to modify our previous program with our new one for a positive edge triggered D latch. So we're going to have to add this code in here: if clock event and clock equals 1. Get rid of my mistake there, and we need a then statement. So we've added another if then, and since we have another end if, we need another end if. Okay, since we've added another if statement for our clock, so if the clock changes and it goes to 1, that means it's a positive edge trigger, then it'll be able to do this. So let's get rid of the other clock, and let's get rid of the other clock, and let's compile it, and let's fix the pinouts, and that's looking good. Good. So let's go back to our pin planner, and our clock is now going to be a push button. It's going to be R22. So let's just open him up and change him to an R22. Which is going to be our push button. So we're going to simulate the clock. The other one's going to be an L22, which is our perfect. So let's go ahead and close that out, and let's recompile it. Good. And let's go ahead and close out, and let's program it. We have our SOF file, we have our USB blaster. Perfect. Let's try it. Okay, so let's put some data in our data latch. So we're going to put a high in and we're going to clock it. And we get a high out. I'm going to put a low in and I'm going to clock it. And we could clock it multiple times and it makes no difference. Okay, from our program we're going to need to create a program for a negative edge JK flip-flop. So again, we're going to have to go back and add our Ks, convert our Js, and we're going to add our toggle. So when J is 1 and K is 1, so we're going to make it toggle. And we're going to make our clock equal to 0 because it's a negative edge. So let's try it. Okay, let's test this here. So right now we have 0, 0, so it should be no change. So we're going to put a 1 on J, and it's going to go high. We're going to put a 1 on K, and it's going to go low. Let's go back. Okay, good. So high, high is going to get us a toggle. Good. And it is finished. Okay, let's convert our D latch into a JK latch. So first thing we need to do is convert our positive edge to a negative edge, and that's simply done by putting in a 0. And let's make these J's. Alrighty, so let's do and K equals 0 with half quotes, and let's do the same thing down here, and K equals 1. Good. And so let's go ahead and add our toggle. We have our, okay. So else if J equals 1 and K equals 1, and we've got an if and then we need a then. Good. We need to put in the code here. So we have Q and our VHDL equal sign, so Q naught, and our semicolon, and we have, okay, I think that looks good. So let's go ahead and compile it, see if I made any errors. Not successful. So let's go ahead and figure out what's wrong with it here. So we're going to go to View, Utility Windows, Messages. And object J is not defined. Oh, that's simple enough. And we need to put in a J, comma. J, comma. Good. Let's try it again. Let's see if there's anything else weird. Nope. That's it. Hopefully. Object K is not declared. What? Oops. Yeah, I forgot the K. And K. So is everything declared now? Hope so. And it looks good, yes. Okay, so let's go to our pin planner, and we don't need the D, and J should be, J is L22, so let's go to L22. We're going to make him J, input tri-stated, and looks like the other one is L21, and he's going to be K, and our clock is R22, and everything else is the same. Good. Let's compile it, program it, and see if it works. Good. And program, SOF, USB blaster, start, perfect. Let's check it. Okay, so let's program a JK flip-flop with a preset and clear, and I've done this for you, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to file, we're going to open a project, so we're going to go back to our files in the VHDL Latches folder, and JK, and with a little luck it'll open it up, all of our files, and it is there. Good. And so there's nothing for you to do, but I'll go through it and then we'll show you how it operates. So what we've done here, if preset is 0, then it's going to be a 1. If it's a clear is a 0, then it's going to be a 0. So those are preset and clear. Those are asynchronous. They take over. And else is if we have a clock and a clock event, which means it's a positive edge trigger. And if J is 1 and K is 1, we're going to toggle. And if J is 1 and K is 0, then it's going to be a 1. And if J is a 0 and K is a 1, it is going to be a 0. So let's compile it. And let's check and make sure our pins are okay. We'll program it and we'll try it. Good. Let's go to pin planner. And looks good. So let's program it and let's try it. And we have SOF, hardware, good. And we're done. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay, let's try our JK with preset and clear. So right now, JK and K, the preset and clear, have to be high. Otherwise, it's going to make them override it. So let's go ahead. We have 0, 0, so it's going to be no change. So let's go ahead and do J. It's going to go high. K is going to go low. High, high is toggle, so it's going to toggle back and forth. Good. So let's use clear and preset. Clear and preset. So it's working.